What's up, y'all? Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today we're doing a little market recap of the trade I took on ES Asia today. Normally I don't trade ES, but I love the setup. I mean, it was free. It was free. So there was a clear target, clear drawn liquidity, and the setup was a lot cleaner than NQ. So let's get into it. Here's the little P&L ski here for y'all. I just need 2 more winning days to secure a payout, and that'd be a great way to start the month. A little 5-day win streak. Come on. All right, so on market open, I was looking at NQ, looking at the higher time frame 4 hour here, and when you look at this bullish leg here, and here you can see that we have a little pullback, and after the pullback, the reaction to it, we got a 1 hour inversion here to the upside. You can see that we're really close to this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, and off market open here, we're 20 points away from it. So I was thinking that we could possibly be tapping into this 1 hour bullish fair value gap and then continuing to go up. But also, if you also look at the 30-minute, you can see that we already tapped into the 30-minute, and then also on the 15-minute, we also already tapped into it. So it's possible that we could just go up off market open, and Asia in particular, there's a lot of days where it just trends up for the entire session. So straight off open, you can see through this big candle right here that we go and edge the 1 hour gap and we begin going up. So after price edged the 1 hour fair value gap, it went up and inversed this 2-minute fair value gap here, and you could have entered a long position to the high right here, but I faded this trade in the moment because I would have felt a lot more comfortable if we tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap. I don't like leaving these relatively equal lows right here. In the long run, that could help you avoid a lot of preventable losses. So that's why I personally faded this trade. So after NQ took out this high, it continued to pump up more. So I looked at where the next possible target is, and it's up here, but it's also over 70 points away. So I was thinking to myself, is there a better setup I could be taking to this high? So when I went over to ES, I also saw that we did take out the high also around the same time that NQ did, but then we're a lot closer to this drawn liquidity, this next high over here. So that means possibly here, I could be looking for a potential continuation setup. If I see some bullish displacement and it forms a fair value gap there and a pullback into it, I could then start looking for confirmation for an entry to this high right here. So if you go over to the 5-minute over here, you can see that a 5-minute bullish fair value gap formed and price tapped into it right here. And if you go over to the 1-minute, this is the 5-minute fair value gap. You can see that the pullback formed a 1-minute bearish FVG and that we inversed it right here. So that means right here, price went down, tapped the 5-minute bullish fair value gap and respected it, went up and disrespected the bearish fair value gap, inversing it towards the drawn liquidity. So you could have entered right here on the 1-minute, stop loss at the swing low, targeting the drawn liquidity, the high, for a 1-to-1 right here. Like, bro, look at this. Perfect V shape towards the drawn liquidity. Like bro, that is so free. That is free money right there. So I entered off this 1-minute here. You could have also entered off of this 30-second inverse And if you entered off the 30-second inverse here, stop loss at the swing low, targeting the draw on liquidity, you could have gone for 1.9 R. And so, bro, this was so free, man. This is so free. So here's my executions today. As y'all can see, I mean, fairly simple trade today. Clear draw on liquidity, clear target, good displacement towards the draw on liquidity, pull back into a fair value gap, and then just look for confirmation for the delivery. And you call it a day. Free trade, man. We got a lot of red folder news in the morning, Friday, March 6th. So the market's probably going to be pretty volatile. And also NFP, 1 hour before market open. I'm currently trading a funded account with Lucid, but maybe I'll try to pass some alpha futures combines with that. Let's see how it goes. Usually it's pretty free. Appreciate y'all for watching today. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We got our free Discord community that I'll link in the description of this video. We do daily trade recaps, and I can answer any of y'all's questions that you got. So thank you very much, and have a blessed day.